And now let us hear a message from our Assistant Regional Director for Operation Fire, Senior Superintendent Romel E. Villaferte, sir.
Okay, Company Commander, likas kayo nga. Good morning, my fellow firefighters, most especially to our Regional Chief of Staff, Senior Superintendent Padre, our officer from the Fire Safety Enforcement Division, Inspector Salvania, of course to our guest of honor and speaker, Superintendent Goa, who happens to be my friend ever since, you know what, we've been together during the time when I was the Assistant Regional Director for Administration. He was back then our HR, Human Resource Officer. And her message is very biblical. Yeah? She was rather citing verses in the Bible that talks about how powerful women are. So congratulations to all the women. So again, all male, say congratulations to all women. 1, 2, 3, go! O para pang high moral sa itong mga babae, nag-explain naman ni Doc Clara gana biblically about why we need to extend respect to a woman regardless of race, regardless of status. So it's a very good message for all of us. Now, before anything else, I just would like to comment. The host, why is it that only one-man army? During our first TINA, it was mentioned by our regional director to assign somebody for the panunumpa, assign for the prayer, assign for the MC. So what happened? So this is a reminder to all upcoming hosts. We need to satisfy the instruction of our regional director, and even if without his instruction, it is really part of a program, in the program rather, that one is assigned to a particular role, like MC, prayer, to recite the panunumpa, and so on and so forth, para at least lain tanaw. I believe you have full force pa siguro mo kayapon karon, di ba? So next time, maybe because our art is not around, that's why yun yung nag-ibuhat. But then again, it's not proper to do that even if who's senior officer present during our mandatory rising ceremony. So our regional director together with our contingent departed this morning, I believe, for the National Fire Olympics held at Subic, scheduled tomorrow ba? 24 to 27. And I'm sure some of the officers went there to accompany our regional director. I am just very worried about the particular thing. This is about the funding for our OLP and also tomorrow, because today our troop will be deployed to Misok for the augmentation for the National Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association Meet 2025, and I was informed last Friday that no funds yet downloaded. So finance, kasi taga-finance din finance people, sa status sa kaya we're worried also because remember, deploy na sila karon, but then again wala pa ay pondo. Itikas pa. Try to siguro as early as noon time na facilitate ang downloading of funds ng mga passport itong tripa dito. And I was informed, napirma naman daw ni RD ang katong both share ang pag-process na lang sa land bank, I believe. So see to it before noon time or before this afternoon, ma-download na para na po sila yung magamit dito. So tomorrow, I personally together with Senior Superintendent Pag, they will also proceed to issue for the opening of the Inimra 25 or 26. So we were instructed by our regional director to be there to give some, to monitor rather. That is why I need your cooperation and support also because again, that's a major activity. This also, we need to activate our Emergency Operation Center and reminder to all duty personnel during this period, starting tomorrow, to be also participative in monitoring. Usually, as I observe, if you are on duty as per regional order, purely the lang. But just want to remind you, there are things for you to do also during your tour of duty. You need to assist, aside from guarding our office, you need to assist also the aircraft in the monitoring of any eventualities in Region 10. So today we will make use of your talent, no? Considering the fact that operation personnel are not man enough to handle this kind of situation. So we will discuss today if we will activate the EOC or not, depende na lang. And if not, again, monitoring. We need to monitor ongoing activity in San Oriental, Occidental rather, by tomorrow. Right? Today, deploy naman sila karon. And whatever report, dapat paabot sa mga concerned officers para for me, the caretaker, to also inform our regional director. So, and again, this is just the beginning of our deployment. So, our implementation plan was already approved by our regional director. I'm preparing to our deployment for the Kamula 2025. So, based on that plan, we will deploy again same people, same troop on April 11, correct ba? 11 to 13. Balay-balay, the area of the Kamula. So, those probably involved personnel in this region, in this office rather, prepare necessary things for you to prepare para at least di mo mga pa. Now ba i-deploy dali for tomorrow's or today's deployment? Wala. Actually, as suggested by our General Director, we need to form a group in this office who will take charge of the cooking. Umuna to initial, di ba? Just like what had happened in Lanao, Organic Summit, Luto-Luto. Siguro na lang mga changes because it was properly coordinated with the good governor of Misamis Occidental na they will provide foods. So, wala rason siguro nga walay force dere. Nonetheless, sa atong part is just to monitor and of course make the necessary reports para for the higher office to be informed and also for our regional director to be informed because we will be coming back on the 28 pa after the culmination sa National Paralympics and then immediately proceed po siya dito sa Miss O and balik po siya dali for another activity particularly on the Park Square Roadshow. Now, talking about Park Square Roadshow, ato amin yun it is a regional activity. So, based on the regional order, a total of 300 more or less personnel region-wide will participate in the Park Square Roadshow on the initial schedule was supposed to be on March 31, but it was moved on April. But just yesterday, or last Friday or Thursday, President Marcos issued a sitting order declaring April 1 rather as a holiday. That's why we move on the schedule on April 2. Final na to siya. So as to the status, probably we will discuss that later in the meeting, no? Para ma-finalize na to. But rest assured, most of you here will be part of that deployment. Especially for the isa may mga blood donors diri. may mga blood donors, and then those persons are assigned in the namatay different committees. So just refer your role in the committee that was issued by our General Director. I think that's all. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you so much, sir, for that message and information. Any announcement from different division? Sir?